Mm. Yeah. Mm. Mm. From the very first moment you walked into my life, I knew you were the one. We searched so long for a love so true, then Jah lead me straight to you. Like the sunrise kissing the sea, you brought new life inside of me. Every smile you sent me with turned the darkest night to day. Every touch, every embrace filled my soul with amazing grace. We never knew our heart could sing till you became me everything. Know every beat inside my chest tell me Jah has blessed me with the best. Oh baby, every little thing you do makes me fall deeper for you. No fear, no doubt, only love pouring out. The feeling I found in your love is sweeter than the stars above, like gentle waves upon the shore. May love you more and more. The feeling I found in your love fits me out like a blessing from above. Every sunrise, every night, you make me whole, you make life right. Walking barefoot on the sand, holding tightly to your hand. Palm trees dancing in the breeze, fill my soul with perfect peace. Every sunset paints our dreams, nothing ever as it seems. Cause loving you has changed me so. Know me heart finally feels whole. If tomorrow never comes, still me know you are the one. Every prayer Jah answer true when Him brought me close to you. Stay with me, hold me tight, love me morning, love me night. Nothing in this world could ever break this love forever. Feeling I found in your love is sweeter than the stars above, like gentle waves upon the shore. I love you more and more. The feeling I found in your love fits me on like a blessing from above. Every sunrise, every night, you make me whole, you make life right. If the rain should fall someday, we'll dance our worries away. If the storm should reach our door, me will love you even more. Cause real love never fades away, it grows much stronger every day. Jah wrote our names among the skies, forever shining in our eyes. Me hear your laughter in the breeze, feel your love among the trees. Ocean whispers soft and low, tell me never let you go. Every heartbeat, every kiss remind me life was made for this. No richer man could ever be than the one you made of me. Together we'll grow old in time, still your hand will stay in mine. When the silver fills our hair, me will love you everywhere. Feeling I found in your love, hey, is sweeter than the stars above, like gentle waves upon the shore. I love you more and more. The feeling I found in your love will forever be enough. Through every season, every year, we promise I'll always keep you near forever. Forever, my heart belongs to you. Yeah, thank you, Jah, for the feeling we found in your love, forever and ever. From the very first smile, me knew something was different. No matter where life carried me, my heart always find its way back to you. From the moment you hold me and me feel like home in a distant land. Every heart beats soft and true. My world begins and ends with you. Like the ocean kissing the shore, you give me peace forevermore. Every sunrise in your eyes paints my world with paradise. When the breeze whispers your name, my heart will never be the same. I knew exactly what to do when he brought me close to you. No place could ever compare to the love that we share. Every road lead me true, 'cause my heart feels at home with you. My heart feels at home with you. Every dream has come true. Like the sunshine after rain, you wash away every pain. My heart feels at home with you. Every day feels brand new. No matter where this life may go, your love is all we need to know. Walking slowly by the sea, only you and only me. Palm trees dancing overhead, every word is softly said. Every kiss feels warm and sweet, like reggae moving to its beat. Your embrace is where we stay. Never let this love fade away. When the stars begin to shine, me thank Jah that you are mine. Every blessing, every prayer, lead me to your loving care. Stay beside me night and day, promise you we'll never stray. Every smile feels so true, 'cause my heart lives home with you. My heart feels at home with you. Every dream has come true. Like the sunshine after rain, you wash away every pain. My heart feels at home with you. Every day feels brand new. No matter where this life may go, your love is all we need to know. If tomorrow brings a storm, your love will keep me warm. If the road gets hard to climb, me will stand by you every time. Nothing in this world could change this beautiful love we have arranged. Jah wrote our story from above, blessing us with endless love. Every sunset feels complete, every moment soft and sweet. Holding you beneath the sky makes my soul begin to fly. Years may pass and seasons change, still our love remains the same. Hand in hand we'll always be, living in sweet harmony. Wherever life may lead us to, me heart belongs forever to you. 'Cause home is not a place alone, home is wherever your love is known. My heart feels at home with you. Oh, every dream has come true. Like the sunshine after rain, you wash away every Everywhere we go, me heart feels at home with you. The way you make me feel. From the very first time you looked into my eyes, me had found a rhythm it never knew before. Jah, this feeling is beautiful. Every morning starts with your smile, making every moment worthwhile. Like the sunrise on the Caribbean Sea, you bring out the best in me. When you hold me close at night, everything just feels so right. Every heartbeat soft and slow shows a love that continues to grow. Your gentle touch, your loving eyes, feel like heaven in disguise. Every life we share together makes me love you even better. Nobody can love me this way. Every moment, every day, your sweet love feels so real. Me can't explain the way you make me feel. The way you make me feel makes every broken heart heal. Like the waves that kiss the shore, me love you more and more. The way you make me feel shows me what true love is for real. Every sunrise, every night, you fill my soul with love and light. Oh baby, don't ever let me go. Walking with your hand in mine, every little thing feels fine. Palm trees swaying in the breeze fill me heart with peaceful ease. When you whisper, me love you so, 1,000 flowers start to grow. Every dream becomes so clear, knowing you are always near. If the world should turn around, still with you is where I'm found. 'Cause your love has changed my life, taking away every pain and strife. Stay beside me, hold me tight, love me morning, love me night. Every heartbeat feels so new, me only want a life with you. The way you make me feel makes every broken heart heal. Like the waves that kiss the shore, me love you more and more. The way you make me feel shows me what true love is for real. Every sunrise, every night, you fill my soul with love and light. If the rain should fall someday, we'll dance our worries far away. If the storm should reach our door, me will love you even more. Nothing can take this joy away. Our love grows stronger every day. Jah bless us from above with everlasting, endless love. Ocean breeze sings our song, in your arms is where I belong. Every sunset paints the sky like the love in you and I. Years may come and years may go, still this love will always grow. Side by side, we'll always stand, walking hand in hand. Every prayer me ever prayed found its answer on that day when Jah brought your heart to mine. A perfect love by His design. Hey, the way you make me feel the rest of my life, because of the way you make me feel. Yeah. Some feelings can't be explained, only felt. And every time you hold me close, me know you are the reason. When you smile across the room, every flower starts to bloom, like the moon upon the sea. You bring sweet serenity. Every word you softly say chase my lonely fears away. Every touch upon my skin feels like paradise within. I never knew a love so deep. I promise that forever keeps. Every heartbeat tells me true. Me was always made for you. Nobody can touch me so like you do. You make me whole. Every dream, every wish leads me back to your kiss. A feeling only you can give is the reason that I live, like the moonlight on the sea. You mean everything to me. A feeling only you can bring makes me heart forever sing. Every sunrise, every night, you fill my world with love and light. Oh baby, don't ever let me go. Walking slowly by your side, with the ocean as our guide. Palm trees dancing in the air. Love is blooming everywhere. When you whisper, stay with me, my heart finds its melody. Every kiss feels warm and new, like the morning covered in dew. Jah has written our love story, filled with mercy, grace, and glory. Every blessing from above, wrapped inside your endless love. Stay forever close to me. You are where me long to be. Every heartbeat, every sigh lifts me spirit to the sky. A feeling only you can give is the reason that I live, like the moonlight on the sea. Oh, you mean everything to me. A feeling only you can bring makes me heart forever sing. Every sunrise, every night, you fill my world with love and light. If tomorrow brings the rain, we'll dance away every pain. If the night becomes too long, we'll hold each other and stay strong. Nothing in this world could change the beautiful love Jah arranged. From the day our eyes first met, you're the one me won't forget. Every wave that reaches shore makes me love you even more. Every star up in the sky knows this love will never die. Through the seasons, hand in hand, we'll build dreams upon the sand. Growing older, side by side, with your heart as my safe guide. No matter where this life may lead, your love is all me ever need. 'Cause every day me clearly see you are Jah's greatest gift to me. A feeling only you can give is the reason Mm. Ooh. Every time you come around, my heart finds a melody, my soul finds peace, and my smile comes alive. From the moment you call me name, my life has never been the same. Like the sunrise on the sea, you bring pure happiness to me. Every smile upon your face fills me heart with love and grace. Every little thing you do makes me fall again for you. When you wrap me in your arms, we forget life's storms and arms. Every heartbeat softly sings of the joy your loving brings. Nobody can make me shine quite like your love, so divine. Every moment feels so clear. My soul smiles when you're near. My soul smiles when you're near. Every day becomes so clear, like the sunshine after rain. You wash away every pain. My soul smiles when you're near. Every whisper that me hear makes me hard believe it's true. Jah created me for you. Oh baby, stay forever by my side. Walking slowly by the sea, just your hand in mine with me. Palm trees swaying to the breeze, fill my soul with gentle peace. When you laugh, the birds all sing. Joy is found in everything. Every kiss feels fresh and new, like the morning covered in dew. Just bless this love we share, with His mercy everywhere. Every prayer me used to pray found its answer on that day. Stay beside me, hold me tight, love me morning, love me night. Every heartbeat, every cheer starts because you are here. My soul smiles when you're near. Every day becomes so clear, like the sunshine after rain. You wash away every pain. My soul smiles when you're near. Every whisper that me hear makes me hard believe it's true. Jah created me for you. If the clouds should hide the sky, still our love will never die. We'll keep dancing in the rain, turning sorrow into gain. Nothing in this world can break the love Jah helped our hearts create. Every road we're walking through feels like home because of you. Every sunset paints the sea with the colors of you and me. Every wave that reaches shore makes me love you even more. Years may pass, but one thing's true: my heart will always run to you. Hand in hand we'll always stay, growing stronger every day. No richer soul could ever be than the one you made of me. Forever faithful, forever true. My whole world begins with you. My soul smiles when you're near. Every day first embrace, I knew your love was different. It wasn't just a feeling, it was home, it was peace, it was forever. When you hold me in your arms, me feel safe from every storm. Like the sunrise warms the sea, you bring sweet serenity. Every smile upon your face fills my soul with endless grace. Every heartbeat next to mine feels like love by God's design. Through the laughter and the tears, you have chased away my fears. Every day me clearly see you are everything to me. Nobody can love me so. Your gentle heart continues to grow. Every moment feels brand new. Me only want a life with you. The warmth of your loving heart pulled my broken soul apart and filled every empty space with your sweet love and embrace. The warmth of your loving heart has loved me from the very start. Like the sunshine after rain, you washed away every pain. Oh baby, keep loving me this way. Walking slowly by the shore makes me love you even more. Palm trees dancing in the breeze bring our hearts such perfect peace. Every whisper that you say takes me worries far away. Every kiss beneath the sky makes my spirit start to fly. Every blessing Jah shown has made your loving heart me own. Every prayer me used to pray found it answering you today. Hold me closer, don't let go. Our sweet love will always grow. Side by side, me and you, forever faithful, forever true. The warmth of your loving eyes pulled my broken soul apart, then filled every empty space with your sweet love and embrace. The warmth of your loving eyes has loved me from the very start. Like the sunshine after rain, you washed away every pain. If tomorrow brings the rain, we'll dance and smile to every pain. If the night should hide the light, your love will guide me through the night. Nothing in this world compares to the love your heart still shares. Jah has written from above a lifetime filled with endless love. Every wave that meets the sand reminds me of your gentle hand. Every star that lights the sky sees this love that will never die. When the years have all gone by, still together you and I, holding hands beneath the moon, singing our forever tune. No matter where this road may start, we'll always choose your loving heart. 'Cause home is found wherever you are, closer than the brightest star. The warmth you, Jah, for a love so true, for the warmth of your loving heart.